Hi friends, good morning. My name is Aditya. Today we are going to learn good habits song. Early to bed, early to rise. Wish good morning, wish good night. Follow good habits, be a good child. Follow good habits, be a good child. Bath every day, brush your teeth, comb your hair, and cut your nails. Follow